Good morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back with our popular smartwatch here, the Kospet Tank M1. Okay, based on social media sites, okay, this smartwatch, okay, is it's gaining popularity as we speak. Okay, so why is it very popular right now? As you can see here, it's a very good design, very durable, sporty, and it is one of the most affordable outdoor smartwatch in the market. Okay, when we say durability, it has a military standard, okay, rating, okay, shock proof, fall proof, bump proof, and very good waterproof rating, IP69K, one of the highest in the market. And of course, looking at the design here, very beautiful. Okay, it is a sports smartwatch. Okay, you can wear it if you are doing some outdoor activities such as trekking, cycling, or just simply doing your jogging or running. Okay, so we have here the Tank M1. Previously we do have a review for this with the unboxing review, and this time for our second video we're going to check on the menus and features of the Tank M1. We're going to check on the sensors as well as the sports features included in this smartwatch. Okay, if you have any questions regarding this wearable, please drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries. Okay, so let's start and check the features of the Tank M1. Okay, so we have here two physical buttons, power and a back button. Okay, so let's turn it on. Okay, so very good vibration here, and seems like there's a volume also, there's sound, there's speaker. So we have here the default UI or watch face for the Tank M1. Okay, so let's check. So just like any other wearable, swiping from right to left shows you the activity tracking, automatic activity tracking. This includes the steps, okay, the calories, I think, as well as the distance. Okay, so we also have a split screen, okay, similar to other Series 7 smartwatches. Okay, again, so split screen here, showing you the latest or the most, I think, most used application or functions here in the wearable. From top to bottom we have the settings here, also have the camera, a battery, okay, as well as the other options here, brightness display, okay, so you can adjust it here, weather, and okay, let's adjust the weather here, too much. Okay, then from bottom to top, let's see, we have the messages here. Okay, do you see the functionalities here? Okay, how can we adjust the time here? Okay, so this is long press for watch faces. Okay, so let's check. So we have here the Tank, just the right watch face for the smartwatch. We also have some premium designs here, premium looking wearable here, or watch faces. Okay, I like this one. Okay, very beautiful design. Okay, so let's check on the menus and features of this wearable. Okay, so let's check on its additional menus here. Again, swiping from right to left shows you the automatic activity tracking. We have the details here such as steps, okay, calories and distance. We also have the graphs here. Okay, to continue, just swipe again to show you the additional features here. we have the sleep functionality. Okay, so it tracks or monitors the deep sleep and the light sleep, as well as the 7 days of data here. So it records. And we also have the heart rate monitoring. So please wear good and try again. So it is looking for our wrist again. So it is now calculating. Well, let's see if we can have the result right away. So it is monitoring our heart rate, and as you can see, we have 7 to 73 beats per minute. Let me see if we remove our wrist here. Okay, so it is able to detect whether it is on top of your body or wrist. Okay, so far that is a good sign. We also have here the exercise. Okay, tapping on it, it will show the different sports functions available in the wearable. Okay, so we have here the sit up, the training, the hiking. Okay, so again, let's start from the beginning here. We have walking, running, cycling, skipping rope. We also have a badminton, basketball, football, swimming, tennis, rugby, golf, yoga, workout, dance, baseball, elliptical machine, rowing, trail running, skiing, bowling, dumbbell, sit up, training, and hiking. Very good list of sports here, a comprehensive list of sports functions. So let's check, for example, we have here the walking. So let's check, okay, what are the details available in the walking here. So we have the steps, calories, okay, distance, as well as the beats per minute. So it tracks for your steps, calories, distance, and heart rate. Okay, let's end it. The exercise time is too short to save. Okay. Then the next we have, what's this? Blood pressure, I think. Okay, so let's try. So similar to the heart rate, it collects 7 days of data here. So please swear. Okay, so let's check. Again, the included health function here, we already have the heart rate. We also have the blood pressure here and the sleep monitoring. Okay, so let's see. Will it show us the data, the results right away? Let's check. Okay, so we have here our diastolic and systolic. Okay, so far it works. Okay, 117/73. I'm not sure whether it is accurate. Anyway, just like any other health sensors in smartwatches, it is use it as a guide, as a reference, not as a basis for diagnosis. Okay, we also have here the Spo2 monitoring. Let's see. So the blood saturation monitor here is much slower. It is slower compared to the HR and the BP. So let's check. Okay. Oh, hopefully we can get the results in just less than a minute. Okay, so it's taking time. Okay, let's see, maybe we really have to activate it. I think we have to clean the sensors on the bottom part. Okay, it's taking time for the Spo2 to check, okay, our blood saturation or blood oxygen saturation. Okay, let's see it. I think we really have to remove this. Okay, we still have a plastic here. Okay, anyways, we'll see next, okay, whether it will work or not. We also have the weather. So far, there's some issues with the blood oxygen monitoring, but we'll see. Okay, we'll do it again later. We also have remote, photo control, the music player here. Okay, it can control the music on your phone. Okay, let's see, let's try. Okay, let's check the additional features here on the settings again. So we have here the settings. Let's check. So we have the brightness, shake on, or the vibration. We have reset, about, power off, and we also have the QR code if you want to install the support app. Back. Okay, so you can use this one. Back and go back. Okay, so that's it for the sports tracking outdoor style smartwatch from Kospet. Okay, we have the Kospet Tank M1, a beautiful sports smartwatch, durable, and it is one of the most affordable, very good design wearable in the market today. Okay, next time we're going to check on its support app. So far it is using the Dafit support app, so that is very positive already. Okay, it has a lot of features including watch faces and other additional functions. Okay, so far it looks okay. Okay, looks good, and the features here very easy to access. We have two physical buttons here, power and back, and so far we don't have any issues encountered except for the blood oxygen. It may take some time to record our SpO2, but so far no problem with the heart rate, blood pressure, okay, and the activity. It has a lot of sports functions included in the wearable. So if you have any questions regarding this wearable, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Again, this is very affordable. Check out the links below and other information about this smartwatch. Watch out for our additional video for the Tank M1, the installation of the support app, as well as the watch faces. Bye.